In this video, I'm going to hand paint this 1842 Mexican eagle from the Liberal Army. And I'm going to use red, yellow, and blue colors. If you want to support this channel, make sure you get them through the links below. Also, I appreciate if you give this video a hype if you like it. For this project, I will use a decal negative stencil. After we set it up, then we place it on top of our fabric, and this will be the fabric that we will use. I will iron it so that way I get rid of some wrinkles. And for the mixture of the brown, I will use all three colors. So make sure you add plenty of the blue one so that way it gets darker if you want it darker. And now that our stencil is ready, we can apply the brown color, which is the main base of this eagle. And I'm going to make this a little darker and change the tone on different sections. And now that it is darker, I can apply some of that on top. This will give a different tone on my eagle. Here you can see different tones on different sections. Some places look darker than others, but this is how flags were made back then. And now I'm going to set up my orange color, and for this we will use red and yellow. Same thing, add plenty of the red one if you want it a little more darker than lighter. Now we mix the colors and make sure that it is orange enough before we start applying. Now we're gonna set up the green color, and for this we will use yellow and blue. Same thing, add plenty of blue if you want it darker. I'm going to use two different types of green, the darker green and the lime green. For this we will start with the darker one. And once we finish with the dark green, we can add some more yellow to make it lime green. Now we will start working on our eagle, and for this I will use the orange color since this is the color that they used back then. This is a very delicate process, so be very careful that there's no paint below you on your arm, because this has happened to me before. And now I work on the other section of the eagle, which is the left side. Then after we finish on the eagle, then we can focus on the dark green color. And as I mentioned, after we finish the dark green, then we can do the lime green. But first, let's finish with the cactus section. We're finished with the dark green color. Now let's do the red section. And this is how the red section looks like. Now let's finish with the lime green. And this is how the eagle looks after we finish with all the colors. Now compare the original one on the right with the left side. Very accurate, don't you think? Thank you so much. Make sure you give this video a like and share it.